In this video, we'll deploy Neo4j on Cuemby Cloud. During the video, we'll configure the instance, choose the necessary resources, and launch the deployment from the platform. Configuring the parameters needed to run the image. Neo4j is a graph-oriented database, meaning it's designed to work not only with data, but also with the relationships between that data. This makes it very useful in cases like fraud detection, recommendations, networks, traceability, or complex connection analysis, while Cuemby Cloud prepares the environment. It's also worth reviewing important points for the client, such as the network, the possibility of using a public IP address when necessary, external access, and the importance of backups to protect both the information and the service configuration. In a solution like Neo4j, this makes perfect sense and is very valuable because often it's not just about storing data, but also about correctly preserving the structure of relationships that exist between them. Finally, we'll verify that Neo4j is operational and ready to start modeling and querying connected information in a much more natural and efficient way. With this, the client not only sees how to deploy a database, but also how to enable a solution prepared for use cases where understanding the connections is as important as the data itself.